Hey everybody, Lee from URC. I want to talk to you a little bit about the customization and personalization that we feel is really powerful with our system. We let you do some things that make something another step more luxurious and more custom for a customer, and we think that helps differentiate you from your competition and from another cookie cutter type product. There's several areas we let you do customization that we think are pretty important, pretty key. We organize things in a rooms menu, and this will apply, I think, for light commercial as well as residential. But giving somebody an actual image of the space or something that helps differentiate it quickly and visually is great, because it's not just a list of text rooms. This actually gives you an idea what area you're going to control. And it's quick and easy to pop in then. Not only do we let you do a custom image in the rooms menu, we'll let you do a custom background, so you can make it theirs. And again, it makes it easy to know which room you're in, that each room can be different too. It's not by panel, it's by the room. You can make them all the same if you want, but the idea is it's an easy way to separate and differentiate. Just like we can do the rooms, we can also do buttons. You'll notice there's different themes, different backgrounds, different button styles in these rooms. All those buttons can be something different, and it can even be something of theirs. So the garage, I can actually have images of their vehicles for a garage door, which is really cool, and it's the kind of trick stuff people will pay for. That's real sizzle. I also have custom buttons on my scenes page, which can be dual state graphics. So beyond a custom button, I can actually have it change based on state. Now I'm showing, I'm gonna put the garage down when I hit that. I'm gonna put the garage door up when I hit that. It gives good visual feedback that is pretty cool. Could also be a light on or off, or you could have it select the source you're doing. It's really the sky's the limit. You can do what you want with it. But it makes it very flexible, and again, it's cool. It's the kind of stuff people will pay for. So again, if we go into another room, a different background, quickly lets me know which room I'm in. That's easier for a user. Or if we go to something more commercial based, a sports bar, that is a picture of the area, that's gonna help the uninitiated user. There's a lot of turnover in a lot of commercial type applications, whether it's an MDU, the amenity space for an MDU, if it's for a sports bar, there's regular turnover that it needs to be quick and simple and easy to understand. This helps you do that. We even have some features like our volume mixer module. This works with our audio. We talked about that in a separate video about HDA audio. I can quickly adjust all the zones for one page. Great for concierge at a front desk in an amenity space. Great for a bar back at the sports bar. And I can even select my sources for my different zones that I can pop that into all the areas I want, all from one page. It's quick and easy to use. In addition, this was also designed around light commercial. It's a pretty big area of our business. Might apply to a man cave too, but we'll let you do multiple screens in a room, and we'll let you do multiple screens in multiple rooms. That way, if I have a sports bar, I can have eight TVs at the bar, 4 TVs at the private area, 2 TVs in the dining area, and 2 TVs outside. I can still have that all set in there, and I don't have to pick a different room for each TV. When I want to control the left TV, I touch the left TV. There's my sources for it. Oh, I want to do the right TV? No big deal. I don't have to change rooms. I hit the one I want. Oh, by the way, this is a checkbox in the software to do. This isn't any kind of wild, crazy programming that is challenging. It's a checkbox in the software. We make this simple and easy. That makes it easy for the customer, and it makes it easy for you to make it easy for the customer. And we think all this different levels of personalization and customization is what can differentiate you from your competition and help you sell to your customer. Not only are you going to make it easier for them, you're going to make it theirs. You're going to separate it, and that's going to help you separate your business. We think it's a big deal, and we hope you do too.